Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on the LE is its heated front seats. You also have your power sliding rear doors and your backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a look just over on the side here, you'll see your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And I'm just going to quickly show you what your second row is going to look like. So if we just take a look inside here. As you can see, you have your second row captain seats, and then not only that, you do have the sunshade visors located in your second and your third row windows, just so you can block out some of that sun just when you're taking one of those long drives. Now, the close button for the power sliding rear doors are going to be located just on the inside of the pillars here. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids getting their arm or hand jammed into the door, you don't have to worry about that because the door does have the jam protection. So with the jam protection, in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, then they'll open themselves back up automatically. And then the other great thing is that you can close them from the outside just by pulling on the handle once more, and it will close automatically for you. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. Now to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your gray cloth interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left hand side, you have your traction control on and off along with some storage space for some coin. On the inside of your driver's side door, you'll find your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert and cruise control. Now taking a look at the multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options on here, which include your digital speedometer, your distance to empty, fuel economy, trip info, all-wheel drive control, and then you can also take a look as well at your audio control, lane departure alert, messages, and then your settings for your ECT power, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now taking a look just at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options on here, which include inside your menu, your audio phone apps, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now with the apps menu, it's all a part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, or if you want, you can also check local fuel prices or sports, depending on what your preferences are. Now, located down below, it's mounted to a automatic transmission. You also have your dual zone climate control settings with your hazard lights. And then if we take a look just underneath here, you'll see your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB and auxiliary input, power outlets. And if we take a look at the very top here, you'll see your auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass. And at the very top here, you'll see your SOS Safety Connect along with your power sliding rear doors. And the nice thing with the SOS Safety Connect is in the event that you're in a front-end collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure that you're all right. Now you also have your sunglass case holder and an additional mirror on the inside here just so you can keep an eye on the kids. And just to give you a quick idea of what your backup camera is going to look like, I'm just going to throw this into reverse for you. As you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side and your rear hatch release located underneath your Toyota emblem. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now, you have a 60-40 split for your third row, so in the event that you do need the additional space, it's available to you. You have some storage space just located down below if you need the additional passengers. Now, to actually fold down the seats, all you have to do is just push on this piece right here. It'll fold the headrest down, and then if you pull on this middle piece here, it'll fold the seat down into the floor for you. And then you want to make sure you just pull that flap up forward just so it remains nice and flat. And then that way you can have some additional cargo space as well as 2 additional passengers, or if you need the 60 side down, you can do the opposite too. Now, if you do forget how the seats actually fold up, you don't have to worry because the instructions are just located on the back of the seat. So all you have to do is just pull on the flap here first, pull on the middle piece again, make sure it locks itself into place, and then pull on the strap that's located on the back of the seat there, just to tilt it back to the desired position. Now, when I say the desired position, I mean it because you can actually tilt the seat back farther just so you're a little bit more comfortable on the drive. You have a power outlet also on your right-hand side, and the other thing I like is that you do have some storage space just located on the left side as well. So if you do need some additional space, it is available to you. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this new Toyota Sienna LE, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.